Hello everyone, in this video you will learn about how to install Node.js on Windows 10. Go to browser and type here download Node.js. Then click on first link and this is the official website of Node.js. Here you can see the latest LTS version is 14.18.1 which includes NPM 6.14.15. Here LTS means long-term support. Currently I am working on 64-bit system, so I'll click on this 64-bit. If you are using Mac OS, then you can click on this, and if you are using Linux, then click on this. So I'll be clicking on this Windows installer 64-bit. Once the download is completed, then run the download Node.js installer, and here click next, then accept the license agreement, then again click next. If you want to change the path, you can change the path by clicking this change, then click next, then again click next and click next, then click install. So here installation process will start, then click finish. Once the node has been successfully installed, the next step is verification. So open command prompt and give command here node-v. This command gives the version of Node.js, that is v14.18.1. The another step is to check the version of npm. Here npm stands for Node Package Manager, which consists of all the repositories and packages required for development. To check the version of npm, type command in command prompt npm-v. So the current version of npm is 6.6.14.15. This Node.js latest LTS version also includes the npm version 6.14.15. This is how we can install Node.js on Windows 10. Thanks for watching.